prior to being paired in Diary ng Pangit, yung tandem nyo ba went through a series of tests or before being paired? Or
Paano ba nabuo ang JD?
yeah, paano siya nabuo?
Wala naman.
Blockbuster agad, nakakalakad.
Wala naman.
Wala kang pinanggalingang TV show.
Or you were just paired right away in Diary ng Pangit?
Actually, last year po, si James, nagkaroon siya ng music video, which is yung Alam Niya Ba. Ako yung leading lady niya.
Okay.
So, yun lang po. And after that, DNP na.
Okay.
Doon nagsimula yun.
Doon nagsimula sa music video.
So how was your impression toward each other?
The first time po.
Yes, the first time.
It was cute. She had these bangs back then. But, you know, I found her cute and we got along really well.
Ipabangs na rin kayo. May pala classmates kay James.
Okay. Kasi, well, first time kong nakita si James talaga was sa workshop. May workshop kami in-attendan parehas. Pero hindi kami nag-usap, as in, walang hi, walang...
Is this with the other channel?
No po, with Viva po.
With Viva.
Workshop po ng Viva. As in, wala. So, parang, nagkausap lang po talaga kami sa Alam Niya Ba na music video shoot niya. Tahimik siya nung una. So, akala ko parang mukhang mahihirapan ako dito. Kasi, kilig yung song, kailangan magpakilig kaming dalawa. Medyo kinabahan ako, but then, habang sinushoot namin, okay naman. Maganda naman pala siya.
Okay.